Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the car and phone speak the same language, Bluetooth LE or Wi-Fi. Once done, install the manufacturer app or a compatible RC controller app so you have the correct protocol stack. Make sure the car's battery is charged and put the car into pairing mode now. This enables discovery. You do this first because a visible device simplifies the rest of the process and avoids later mismatches between app expectations and the car's firmware. Next, use the app to scan and select the car. Tap the device name and accept any pairing prompts so the mobile and car form a secure link. If the car exposes a Wi-Fi access point, join it in your phone's Wi-Fi settings and then return to the app to provide your home network credentials if required. After connection, calibrate steering and throttle in the app so control is predictable. This ensures safe, responsive handling when you drive. Finally, test basic movements at low speed so you can verify translation from touch to motion without damaging the car. If controls are jittery or features are missing, check for and apply firmware updates in the app because updates often fix compatibility bugs. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the car's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi module and repair, and make sure no other device is connected. One key troubleshooting tip: temporary
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.